Easter's just a few weeks away and tons of seasonal products are totally popping off. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find winning Easter products to sell on Amazon, even as a complete beginner using AI. Here inside my screen, we'll take a look at a winning product first, and then we're going to use the Boxum AI tool, Boxy, to find more winning products from here. And a lot of people have things backwards about the current best way to use AI to source products to sell on Amazon. Technology isn't quite ready to actually source products for you, but using the Boxum AI that's trained on a ton of Fields of Profit nice content to make sourcing and running your business substantially easier is the way to do it here. So the Boxy AI assistant, it is available within all Boxum plans. So if you haven't yet gotten a 2-week free trial of Boxum, do so at the link in the description here. It's trained off a ton of Fields of Profit nice content, so it can answer different questions for you just here within Boxy. So we can see what is ROI and how do I calculate it. Return on investment is how hard your money works for you on a buy. So we can see the formula and everything here. So starting off here, we can see these Whopper Robin's eggs in 13 ounces are going on Walmart for $4.97. So I can start out just by asking Boxy, okay, what discounts exist for Walmart? And then it's going to tell me, okay, because I know very, very rarely am I just going to find items profitable. Sometimes you will, but mostly you'll make items profitable on different websites here and everything. So on Walmart, specifically here, right, tax exempt. It's like, okay, we can avoid sales tax here. How do I get sales tax exempt on Walmart? Right, and then it's going to tell you, in this case, I happen to know that you just Google Walmart tax exempt here, right? So we can see, go to walmart.com tax exempt, or we can just look up Walmart tax exempt here. Boom, and we could see discounted gift cards too on Walmart. So if I go over to Cardbear here, for unfamiliar with that, explain discounted gift cards to me simply and how to use them. So you can see, explain discounted gift cards to me simply and how to use them right here. And then Boxy is just going to tell us exactly how it works. Buying store money for less than face value, right? So we can see here over on Cardbear, if we go ahead, Walmart here, we can see 5% typically, current discount 1.1%, my bad, average discount 5% here. Historically, we can even put on our email to get notified of a price drop here. We can see it's like 5% here. Right, so we can see when that's in stock, 4.97 here going for $14.49 on Walmart, no tax because we're using tax exempt here, right? If you want an explanation on tax exempt, how does tax exempt work? Boom, and then it's going to tell you it is a certificate you can get from your state's website that makes it a business-to-business transaction, not paying sales tax when you buy inventory you're buying for resale. So we can see, boom, plugging that in, then we'll take off that discounted gift card here as well. Bada bing, so we can see this makes it even better. So now $3 profit and 66% ROI. This is a winning product here. We can see SellerAmp says it's suspected private label, but I can see this isn't like the Whoppers brand, so I know it's not actually private label. And then what I always want to do, especially on Easter and grocery themed product, which makes sense to do all the way up until Easter, especially in respect to FBMing products, is I want to see if there's any multi-packs here. So I'm just going to type this here. Right, classic Easter, and then let's see, 13 ounces right there. So we'll go ahead and plug in 13 ounce here and see if there's potentially a multi-pack. Okay, so let's see if this is, 13 ounces here. Okay, cool, right? So let's go ahead and grab this. These little orange boxes are called SellerAmp QVS, SellerAmp Quick View Simplified on search there. So we can see 22.5 here, 420 sales a month already, 20K sales rank here. Let's take a look down here on Keepa. We can see brand new listing here, only 9 days in, but the sales rank's already pretty good, so this can totally make sense. So 4.97 times 2. Then we'll take off those discounted gift cards here, and we can see, honestly, that's good enough on something that's very seasonal here as well. We still have some time to potentially FBA these items though. So when I FBA stuff, I price it higher. And if you want an explanation on that, I can ask Boxy here. So it's like, why do we price FBA items above FBM here, right? And so general pricing guidelines when you're making shipments within Boxum, when you're listing FBM inventory, which you can do in Boxum, match the buy box price. When you're listing inventory FBA in Boxum, list it substantially above the buy box price. Then once it checks in, If you're competing with a lot of FBM people, price 5 to 10% higher, the prime bump. And if you're competing with a lot of FBA people, just go the same, maybe 2 to 3% higher. So if you're competing with FBM, price higher as FBA. If you're competing with a lot of FBA sellers, price it the same or maybe 2 to 3% higher. See if you can drag it up here. And we can see faster delivery and better customer experience mean customers will pay more for your FBA offer even when a cheaper FBM offer exists, right? And Amazon's system favors FBA in the buy box, which makes a lot of sense because you would much rather pay, or at least most people would, $30 to get something in 3 days compared to 27 to get it in 8 days, right? So we can see now we took this listing here and we can see a lot of FBM. What's the lowest FBA? Let's scroll down here on SellerAmp and see, yeah, perfectly in that ballpark of 10% higher here. So now we'll just go ahead here. Boom, price this guy up by 10%, right? And we can see even better. Now let's go ahead and find some other Easter items from here, storefront stalking and using the Boxy AI to make listings more profitable. So taking a look here, let's see some other Easter items in these seller storefronts, right? So if we see, go grocery here. Okay, so not really Easter themed. Let's see those eggs we already did. Okay, Easter bunny stuff right here. Very good sales ranks. Let's take a look on some of these too as well, guys. Let's see. So Whopper Robin eggs, 10 ounce. Okay. Let's see. Sweet tarts here. Yeah, as always, multi-packs and stuff too as well. This stuff's very helpful. Let's see. Brock's jelly beans. Let's take a look at these guys too as well. So let's see. So we have these other items that we know are Easter themed. The demand's pretty good. 50K sales rank here. So let's see what we can do. So, So low estimated sales per month, but the sales rank is getting way better. So the estimated sales is going to go up here. Now let's go ahead and see what we can do on these guys. Just plugging them in on Google. Let's see. Brock's here. So we got these guys, 9 ounce here. Let's see. So this Blaine's Farm and Fleet looks good here. Let's see. So 2.28, we got Walgreens as well. We can ask Boxy here what discounts exist on Walgreens. Let's see, so Walgreens here, yeah, 2 for $8. Or, okay, so 2 for $8 here. These are 14.5 ounce. We can take a look if the 14.5 ounce exists though here. Let's see. Yes, site-wide, discounted gift cards too, cashback portal. Okay, let's see the discounted gift card situation on Walgreens here. Yeah, Walgreens gift cards, good. Yeah, 9%, guys. Right, so let's see if these 14.5 ounce ones exist here. All right, I love Command C, Command V here. Let's see, 14.5, pack of 2. Okay, don't think that's gonna work here. Let's see, 14 ounce. Yeah, that's not gonna work there, okay? But taking a look here, 14.99, 14.99, 9 ounce classic jelly beans, okay? So let's see, 2.28. So 2.28 times 2 times 2 here. Okay, so we're already close. This is FBM. If we were at FBA, this we would go higher here, right? Probably like 16.5. But what I want to see here is, okay, are there any other discounts on Blaine's Farm and Fleet? So let's go here on Boxy. What discounts are on Blaine's Farm and Fleet? And if you don't know, no. What discounts should I go look for? Let's see, right? This AI tool is really, really good. It's available on all plans. Okay, so it doesn't have any specific ones it knows about, but it's giving us some ideas of like, okay, discounted gift cards, cashback portals, email account and text sign up codes, the extensions like Capital One Shopping. Ooh, okay, interesting. Yeah, so Capital One Shopping is a free extension, 10 off 100, so or even 15 off 150. So say we do a bunch of these guys here, that's going to be another 10% or so that's going to help here as well. And then I also always want to check for tax exempt. So we can just go here on Google, Blaine's Farm and Fleet tax exempt. Let's see. Ooh, okay, yeah, look at that. So it ranks here. Tax exempt application, right? Here's shopping for years, never want know what is or isn't. Okay, that was 2011 though. The AI here, yeah, so the Google AI offers tax exempt status here for qualified businesses. Okay, so you wouldn't have to add in any tax here. I mean, this is not bad, and we can see in the past the rank's gotten, yeah, really, really good here too as well. So now I can go ahead and type in Brock's jelly eggs and see if there's any other flavors here too as well. right? And this is how you can build a big catalog here because we're a little early still in respect to the demand on this stuff and everything. So let's see, classic jelly beans there. That should be good. Let's see, are there other ones? Yeah, okay. Spicy 14.5 ounce here, 9 ounce. Yeah, 400 plus per month already, right? So anything that shows up on the search which with those badges is typically going to be good. Okay, so let's see, 8.99. So this is 2.28 minus that likely 10%, no tax. Yeah, we're making 100% ROI. And we can see, when did the demand peak last year? The demand peaked last year in late March between a 5K rank and like a 10K rank here. And already right now, we're already down at an 11K rank. So this is probably going to get better. So despite the competition going up substantially on this, we're making 100% ROI and the volume's just starting to pick up. And the FBA buy box with the quickest delivery dates is $9.99. Therefore, I need to go ahead and plug this in. And now I'm making 150% ROI. So that's totally cool here. And I'd want to see, okay, are there 2 packs of these other ones here too as well? So this is all FBM. Spiced here, 14.5. Let's see, yeah, Walgreens. So Walgreens had that, so we can pay $4 fees on Walgreens. Let's see. So if it's $9.99, though, we could definitely go higher here, FBA. Amazon fees actually go down substantially below $9.99, but we can always go 10% higher here. So if we go like, you know, $11.50 here and everything, we're close. Okay. If this stacks with this code here, last box here, do Walgreens coupons stack together. And then discounted gift cards always stack with coupons here. Stack but not unlimited. Okay. 1 manufacturer coupon, 1 store coupon. Okay. So the way I'm going to tell that is I'm just going to add these to cart. We'll add like 8 of these to cart, and then we'll use March or 15% off 15. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. So we'd want to do here. So 12 of these, and then we'll see, okay, does March 20 work? Okay. We want that a little bit higher here, or we use March 15 and then we would get it above. We'd add something else to cart. So let's see. We'll put in Mar 15 here. So if we go here, boom. Yeah, it's giving us tons of coupons here. Okay. So let's see. Mar 15, does that stack? Yes, it does. And then we'll also stack on the discounted gift cards here too of 9%. So now we're going from, okay, a retail price of $4.99, 2 for $8, 15% off, and discounted gift cards here. So it gets substantially better. So now we're here at 41 divided by 12. So 41 divided by 12, and then we take off the discounted gift cards too as well, so 9% right there. This is the 9 ounce one that we want. The let's see, we had the the 14 ounce. Okay, spicy 14 ounce. Yes, here we go. So let's see. So it'd be 41 for 12 minus discounted gift cards here, right? So we can see $2 profit here. This isn't amazing, right? We could see, okay, the spicy ones in yeah, okay, and this guy here, this one here. So you can see the 14 ounce was good. From Walgreens, not amazing though, right? But either way, a good example of coupon stacking. And then the 9 ounce spicy ones at 2.28 here, 2.28 times 2, right? FBA, $14.99. And there's that 10% coupon on Blaine's Farm and Fleet. And we have tax exempt there. We can always see if there's any sort of additional coupon. Or one thing a lot of people don't do is just take a look and see if retailers have B2B programs too as well. So now it's like, okay, guys, literally go open these other listings here and we can see like this is 12 ounce pack of 2. This is 3.5 ounce pack of 3. Like there's going to be other money on these listings and you can go ahead and find this stuff too. Like we can see like this did well last year too. Pack of 2 here, 12 ounce. So we can see 4.19. 4.19 times 2, 4.19 times 2. We can see not good on this guy here. Lowest FBA though is substantially higher here, up at like 21. So we could probably meet in the middle on that, like 21, 20 there. Right. Target gift cards. We'll see. Is there any sort of coupon on these guys too? As well. Easter shop. Yeah, 5% Target Circle. Discounted gift cards. We probably get like 10% on Target. This is fine, right? There's probably other better stuff out there, but then we can go ahead here and find more storefront stocking and find more Easter listings. And we can see, taking a look at this seller here, we go to just grocery and gourmet category. Yeah, like look guys, there's other Easter listings here. Boom, boom. Easy bag now, right? But you can see like literally go ahead and open up these listings and storefront stock off them too as well. So let's see if we just plug it in grocery here. Let's see. Yeah, more Easter stuff. Twix, eggs. Yep, Easter, right? Easter. Marshmallow, Russell Stover, Easter. There's so many products that are popping off here. Yeah, Hershey's, Easter as well, right? So you can see, taking a look at Hershey here. Let's see. This is, yeah, $9.99 here, right? $9.99. Plugging this guy in. Let's see, CVS here. CVS typically has a good coupon this time of year. Discounted gift cards here. Yeah, okay, so buy one, get one for one. So it'd be $8 for two. So it'd be 4 here. Let's see, and we can just look up like Hershey's eggs, 9 ounce, because there's going to be some other flavors of these. $6.40. Take a look at that guy. It's a little expensive here. 16, 7.4 ounce here. Milk chocolate eggs. Let's see, pretty new listing here. Let's see, so I don't like that guy there. Take a look at this guy here. Yeah, $12.79. Let's see, milk chocolate extra creamy eggs. Yeah, look at that. There we go, right? So we can see here, it's going to be 2 for $8. Yeah, so $6.99 and then 1 for $1. So 7.99 divided by 2. 7.99 divided by 2 here. Close. And then let's go ahead here. We have Card Bear. Let's go ahead and take off. Yeah, we can see Amazon went out of stock, demand going crazy, already 10,000 sales a month. And we can see, boom, CVS right here. Taking a look, CVS, 5.5% off. Boom, boom. Take off 5% right here. Boom, very good right there. $3 profit, 81% ROI, not bad whatsoever. That's the name of the game. So that's exactly how you source Easter products using AI. If you want to see some more advanced sourcing using the Boxum bulk ungating tool for auto ungate leads in respect to storefront stocking, then most importantly, some special stuff we don't really share anywhere else, check out this video for our full Boxum sourcing masterclass recording. So take a look at that right there. And if you haven't yet gotten a 2-week free trial, do so at the link in the description, boxum.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.